Questions 7 through 11. Let's take a look at the next graph. The graph of the function y equals x squared minus 6x plus 5 is shown below. Identify the x-intercepts of the graph. Now remember, x-intercepts are ordered pairs. So these would be 1, 0, and 5, 0. All right. What is the x coordinate of the vertex? Now remember, vertex means maximum or minimum, and it asks what is the x coordinate of this point? Well, the x coordinate would be positive 3. Describe the x-coordinate of the vertex with respect to the two x-intercepts. Well, remember, to go from 3 to 1, that's 2 places. And to go from 3 to 5, that's 2 places. So the x-coordinate of the vertex is halfway between the x-intercepts. (10a) Factor the quadratic expression x squared minus 6x plus 5. Two numbers that will multiply to give me 5, but when added will give me negative 6. Well, that's going to be negative 5 and negative 1, because I need to get a negative in that middle term. So this is going to make this x minus 1 times x plus, not x plus. This is going to say minus x minus 5. Got a little bit ahead of myself there. Each of the factors you found in part A is a linear expression. Solve the related linear equation for each factor by setting it equal to 0. So we've got x minus 1 equals 0. We would add 1, so that would be x equals positive 1. And then we would have x minus 5 equals 0. We would add 5 to both sides, so x equals 5. Solve the related quadratic equation for the expression in part A, that is, solve x squared minus 6x plus 5 equal to 0. That would be x equals 1 or x equals 5. It's basically taking this, setting it equal to 0, which we did, and putting it back into the original. So this equation will either equal 0 if the value of x is 5 or if the value of x is equal to 1. How do the linear factors x squared minus 6x plus 5 you found in item 10a relate to the y-intercepts of the graph of the function y equals x squared minus 6x plus 5 shown above. When we are set equal to 0, when the linear factors are set equal to 0, the solutions are the x-coordinates of the x-intercepts. Without graphing, how could you determine the x-intercepts of the graph of the quadratic function y equals x squared plus x minus 12? Set equal to 0, factor, then solve for x. Let's take a look at those steps here. We have y equals x squared plus x minus 12. So we're going to say 0 equals x squared plus x minus 12. So 0 equals all right, I want two numbers that multiply to give me 12, but when I subtract, because I'm looking for a negative, I want a positive 1. So that's going to be positive 4, negative 3. I set each one of these equal to 0. And solve for x. So this is going to be negative 4 equals x and 3 equals x. So x equals negative 4 or x equals positive 3. Make sure you answer the debriefing question that follows.